Hello guys, this is Julian from the DIY lithium iron phosphate channel. It's been a while since I uploaded the intro video for the channel, but I thought I would go ahead and do an unboxing of the cells we're going to use for the first build video on the channel. I've decided our first build on this channel is going to be a solar generator using lithium iron phosphate cells. Since we have so much experience with the Headway cells on the other channel, I thought it would be a great idea to do a solar generator build on this channel using a larger amp hour capacity of the Headway cells. So the first time we used the Headway cells, it was on the OH8STN channel, but those were the 10 amp hour cells. These are the 15 amp hour cells. These are Headway model number 40152S. So I considered doing a 4S3P build, but I found the 15 amp hour Headway cells were more economical than the smaller 10 or 8 amp hour cells. When we're done with this build, we'll get 384 watt hours out of it. With 8 of these cells doubled up in 4S2P configuration, we can get the desired watt hours out of them. I also ordered bus bars for the cells, but I noticed I ordered the wrong ones. These will work for the cells in series, but not with the 2 parallel cells. I have the correct ones on the way, but you'll have to wait until the build video to see those. I also ordered the cell holders for the Headway cells. This will allow me to stack the cells in a block, and it also takes the strain off of the bus bar connectors, the screws for the bus bar connectors. I know we can get more amperage capacity out of the lithium-ion cells, but I really like using the Headways. They're easy to put together and they're much safer than lithium-ion. I've decided to go back to the Bestech BMS. It's been a solid performer, has done really well with the 10 amp hour Headway cells, and I haven't had any issues at all. Balancing has been rock solid. So there you have it. This is the start of our solar generator build using the 15 amp hour Headway lithium iron phosphate cells. Until the next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Ciao.